From Michigan to Lebanon, the bird flu is everywhere. Symptoms begin within 2 to 8 days and can seem like the common flu. This affects the respiratory, muscular, nervous, digestive, and circulatory systems. 1 in 10 people suffer from the bird flu annually. It may also be possible to catch bird flu by eating poultry or eggs that are not well cooked. These people need help. Two types, H5N1 and H7N9, have infected some people during outbreaks across the world. All they want is peace, love, and happiness. Most of the people who get bird flu have had close contact with infected birds. Please help these individuals. They need your help. Even doctors cannot help you when it's too late. So please support this movement. So please just donate $10 by simply calling 1-800-STOP-THE-BIRD-FLU.